Jai Narayani student. Now today we discuss for chapter number 4 agriculture and myself Nidhi Lal. Today we discuss for major crops. I am already discussed lecture 1 what is agriculture and types of farming, and second lecture discuss for cropping pattern. My third lecture for discuss major food crops. Okay, first major food crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millet, pulses, tea, coffee, etc. Crops other than grains, sugarcane, tea, coffee, oil seeds, non-food crops, rubber, jute, fiber crops, and horticulture crops, pea, potato, onion, cabbage, tomato. But today discuss for only major crops. Now see rice. Rice in first of all discuss कि India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Again words repeated, India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltic region, Punjab, Haryana. See the map. Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, and parts of Rajasthan have also started growing the rice, and with the help of canal irrigation also and tube wells. Next, it is a kharif crop and temperature above a 25 degrees Celsius, very high temperature 25 degrees Celsius, and high humidity and high rainfall 100 centimeter, and states are repeated Punjab, Haryana, West UP, and parts of Rajasthan. And it is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India, and rice is grown in the states. See the map: Punjab, UP, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay, now next part discuss wheat. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop, a staple food crop of northern and northwestern part of the country. It is a rabi crop that requires cool growing season and bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Okay, and now rabi, see the crop of rabi crop and cool growing season and bright sunshine at a harvesting, and rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter, and states like see the map: Punjab, Haryana, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, parts of the MP means Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and this is the second most important cereal crop. Okay, second most cereal crop. Next, millets. Now this characteristics of millets. First of all discuss the millets. There are three types of jowar, bajra and ragi. Again, jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Now these are known as coarse grain. They have a very high nutrition value, and see the picture: ragi, bajra and jowar. Next, millets. First of all discuss jowar. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is the cultivated as a kharif crop. This is the cultivated of kharif crop, and it is the rain fed crop mostly grown in the most moisture areas and which hardly needs the irrigation. Now jowar repeated, rain fed. Okay, first characteristic ki rain fed and moisture area, and state like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and it is the cultivated as kharif crop. Okay, kharif crop. Now next आते हैं हम लोग ज्वार. See, ज्वार, major ज्वार producing state includes, see the picture, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. You have already discussed the states, but see the map also. Next, bajra. Now bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing states are ragi is a crop of dry seasons and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soil. Ragi is a very rich in iron, calcium, nutrients and roughage. तो आर यू नो डैट कि मेजर बाजरा प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स आर तमिलनाडु, हिमाचल प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, झारखंड, सिक्किम, कर्नाटका एट्सेट्रा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस की बाजरा, आर यू क्लियर डैट कि राजस्थान, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, हरियाणा, यूपी एंड soil for use black soil and sandy soil, or bajra grow well on sandy soils and shallow of black soil. And states name Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana and UP also. See the bajra states Rajasthan, UP, Gujarat, Maharashtra. तो मेजर बाजरा प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स आर राजस्थान, यूपी, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात एंड हरियाणा. दिस इज द मार्क ऑफ मैप. नेक्स्ट, रागी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस की मेजर रागी प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स आर कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम, झारखंड एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश. I have already discussed for the part of bajra states like Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Haryana, UP, and this is also discussed for ragi. Ragi is the different places. First of all, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Okay, now next, bajra and ragi. Bajra grow well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing state are repeated this point. See bajra states. First of all, see the Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, UP, and ragi Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Jharkhand हो गया, Karnataka and Sikkim. And first of all ki ragi is a crop of dry region and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. Ragi is a very rich in iron, calcium, nutrients and roughage. And major ragi producing states are first see Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Sikkim, Karnataka. These are states are ragi. And this ragi already discussed ki black and sandy and loamy shallow soil and red also. Now next point, pulses. Pulses main features ki India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world, and major pulses grown in India are tur, arahar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram, being the leguminous crops, and they help in restoring of fertility of the soil by fixing nitrogen in the air, and therefore these are mostly grown in rotation with the other crops. And major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These are states. Again repeated, India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. And major pulses grown in India are arahar, moong, masoor, peas and gram, and they are also called the leguminous crop. And pulses help in restoring soil fertility by fixing the nitrogen from the air. And pulses are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. And pulses producing states are MP, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. And first of all, rabi crop and kharif crop and require the less moisture. यहाँ पर जो moisture use होता है pulses में वो very less moisture. And measure the protein source like urad and moong, masoor, peas, gram. So these are major protein source of urad, moong, gram and masoor, peas etc. and leguminous crop and restore the soil fertility. And states like MP, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Now next, maize. This is the last lecture for maize and major crops completed. Last topic, it grows well in alluvial soil and require a temperature between the 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius. And major maize producing states are Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. And it is the use both as food and fodder, and use of HYV seeds and fertilizer and irrigation has increased its production like Karnataka, MP, UP and Andhra Pradesh are major producers. Okay, and major maize producing states are, see the map: UP, MP, Bihar and Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh also. So it grows well in a alluvial soil. Okay, alluvial soil, and temperature for 21 degree Celsius to 27 degree Celsius. And this crop also use kharif time season and rabi season, kharif and rabi, and same as pulses also discuss ki kharif and rabi. And food and fooder crops, and temperature for 21 degree Celsius to 20